Seatbelt securely fastened, and your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please, supervise children. Thank you.
Sounding futuristic.
Just be yourself. We've always been dreaming about the road to tomorrow.
And now,
Before we can visualize tomorrow, we have to start by looking at the world of today a little differently.
that's where I can help. Let me show you how I see the world.
By using advanced cameras and sensors, vehicles are constantly scanning the road ahead, helping to prepare us for any surprises. Woo, nicely done.
Surprises, huh? I was built for this.
Tomorrow's roads will be built with technology too, like inductive charging to help keep you powered up.
Smart road activated.
They're just the beginning. Imagine being able to customize your vehicle at home. Go for it. First, select a new vehicle body. Good choice. Now let's see how it looks. And here's one I think you'll really love. Now how about we kick back and enjoy the ride? Might have had some twists and turns, but the future is always just around the corner. Ready to see what else lies beyond the horizon? Test drive might be complete, but just ahead is the vehicle showcase, where you can explore the latest innovations from General Motors. Not to shift gears, but please remember to watch your step and take all of your personal belongings with you as you hit the road. You see what I did there? Maybe you're right. Thanks for joining us. See you in the future.